So how can you optimize your iPad for gaming? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. First of all, there is the gaming focus mode. Inside of your settings and part of the focus section, you can set up the gaming, and this is useful because it specifically gets turned on when you start playing a game or when you control or when you connect a controller like that. But you just get to decide which people can contact you and which apps can deliver notifications. So that's good if you want to have like a focused gaming experience. When it comes to the performance of the iPad, I generally recommend people to go to the general section of their settings and turn off the background app refresh. Perhaps turn it off for all apps or only for those which you believe could be like taking up a lot of like the CPU power away, because the background app refresh literally means that the app is not even running, but it can still use the power in the background to perhaps like get the latest data or refresh the latest weather news or whatever, right? So you can turn it off in here. The other thing is part of the accessibility and in the motion section. This depends on your iPad, but at the bottom we have the limit frame rate. And this also depends on your situation. Like if you feel like your games are kind of not working or performing well, you can limit or enable the limiting where it just goes to the 60 FPS, which will not be as smooth visually, but it might help the CPU a little bit and it might make the games run better, even though they're not going to be looking as smooth, but they will be probably running better because more power will be reserved for the game, right? But again, if you want your gaming experience to be as smooth as possible, make sure you don't limit the thing right here and get the highest quality of the image. So these are the most common things that people need to change or adjust on their iPads. If you have some other specific questions, leave them below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.